Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday, so I have a new segment in the channel. We're going to call it the 2-Minute Tuesday Tips. And I'm going to go over a quick little tip that's only going to be a 2-minute video that's quick and easy and how to save you time working around the house. This here is called a slide. What it does, it slides and it's magnetic, so it'll hold your bit in here. So basically the purpose of this is you put your screw in here and you slide it up and that holds your screw in. Seems very simple, but this little thing will save you a lot of time. Let's go over how to use it. So you have your screw, you're gonna go put it in the wall, you put it on, you apply some pressure and you slip off. And now I just dinged up my nice new wall. So what this sliding guide does is you start your screw like normal and you slide it down. And this will allow your screw to not fall out, so you go ahead, put some pressure in. You can hold it too because it slides. Look at that easy. It also works very good for putting screws into wood. You have to apply a lot of pressure. You slide it down. It's also a big help when starting screws. Instead of holding like this and starting, you know, you're gonna get your fingers cut through the thread. Slide your guide down, go ahead and drill. So that's all for today with our sliding guide. It's very easy, great tool to have. I always carry a bunch on me because they don't last forever, but they do work fantastic when you need them. A link in the description of this product, but a lot of the times if you buy a kit, like a DeWalt kit, it has them in here. So I will have a link to a nice kit, or if you just want to buy this, which I don't recommend, buy the kit. It's a couple dollars more, you get a bunch of new bits. You always need more. So go ahead. Click on the link, go ahead and get yourself one of these. Super nice to have. I cannot recommend these enough. So I hope you liked today's new video of our 2-Minute Tip Tuesdays. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have other ideas or tips that you want me to do. Alright, we'll see you next time.